Okay, so before starting the class, let me ask you a question. Can a single person complete every task successfully? Okay, so obviously that requires a teamwork. Sometimes, if I'm a single person, sometimes I can complete a task successfully. That is based on the task. Maybe few tasks will be few words will be easier. But mostly teamwork is important. So only with teamwork we can complete each task successfully. So now any one of you come friend. So what you are going to do is now you are going to do an activity. So in this duster, I am going to place this paper ball like this. Okay, so it will be placed like this. Any one of you should come friend. You have to take this paper and place it there on the same. But you should not use your hands directly. You should not touch it directly like this. So far we have seen that activity which I have given is you have to take this paper and place it here. We should not use your hands directly, okay. So now let us apply teamwork here. So 4 to 5 members come as a team. So the activity is you have to take this paper and place it there. We should not use your hands directly. That is the activity. So now 4 or 5 members come as a team. Why teamwork is important means each individual have different types of idea, but when we gather as a team, all those ideas will give a solution to the problem. That is why we apply teamwork in any situation. Have you ever experienced teamwork in your life? Do you have any experience of applying teamwork? So when you guys apply during sports, they participate in events like hackathon. Very good. When participating in events like hackathon, so one person will be preparing the PPT, another person will be doing the coding works like that. Okay. Next, so in your DD project, in your mini project, so one person will be preparing the whole PPT or writing the code or something, another person will give the solution or idea like that. We apply teamwork. So in teamwork, which one is very important is your communication. So there should be a communication. There is a 6 to 5 members in the team. Each individual should have a proper communication. So for example, if I am conveying a message to Valencia, I am conveying that message to Kanshi. If Kanshi made a mistake or if she replaced any word, there comes a misunderstanding between myself and Valencia. Right? So avoid those type of misunderstanding in teamwork. We will appoint a leader. So one person will act as a leader. So he or she will be guiding the team towards success or motivating the team. So what are the qualities that a leader must have? If you are being a leader of your team, what are the qualities that a person should have? He should be disciplined, responsible, proper communication, and then understanding each team member. So like this, a proper leader must have two types of qualities. So that is the first is the communication. So there should be a direct communication between the leader and the team members to avoid misunderstandings. Second is responsibility. If I am the team leader of you 6 people, I should take a responsibility. I should act as so they are my students, they are my people. I should be responsible for your act. If you are doing any mistake, I should not say that is not my problem, it is her problem. Like that, I should not be acting. Rather, I have to act as a team leader. If you are doing a mistake also, I have to stand for you. Okay, that is the responsibility. Second is understanding team members. So some people will be reacting differently when they are angry or emotional, right? So each individual will react differently. For example, if one of my team members is dealing with any task with the deadline has arrived, but the people haven't completed the task. So at that time, I should not shout at them as a leader. I have to understand the people, I have to understand that person, and I have to give them a proper solution. Next is a leader must respect and trust their team members. It is not like that if I'm senior and if you're junior than me in the age group, I should not treat you like someone else or like some slave. Like I have to give respect to each people. Next is trust. I have to behave. So now I have to behave that Veena is having this quality. Let me give this project to Veena. She will complete it. Like I have to have a proper trust on my team. Next is encourage others. So few leaders will do that. If you are doing a good thing, few leaders will not encourage you. Rather, if you are doing a single bad thing, they will point out that thing. That usually happens. Every human used to do that. But we should not do. We should not behave like this. We are a leader. That is, we have to encourage each and every step of our members. So last is solve problems. So only in team, as a team, we can solve each and every problem. Okay. So that is why teamwork is very important in each one of us life. And in teamwork, the most important thing is leadership. How our leadership behave is the most important thing. So in next video, let us have a case study on teamwork and leadership practice. Thank you.